YouTubers, here we go again. We got another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link will be down below. Get one of these at a low cost and see what other goodies they have to offer besides this one. Coming from Keurig. Classic K-Cups. And now we're about to see what's inside. Alright, here we go. Voila. You get the manual. Got the cord, all the stuff right there. Alright guys, here it is. Keurig, got a lot of tape around it. That's good for protection during shipping. Got the cord right there. Nicely wrapped. You gotta pop that open. Put the K-Cup in there. Close it. And then you get your cup sizes. And then you have your add water, descale, heating, auto off, power. So I just gotta remove these. I gotta do this quick. My phone's about to die. But hopefully everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. We made it, guys. It is the weekend. So definitely check these guys out. It's always good to have one or two at your home for backup. Nice housewarming gift, graduation gift, all that good stuff. Birthdays, Father's Day. Oh boy, there goes that one. It's gonna take a second to remove all these. So you get your drip tray, drip. You could expand it once there we go. For your thermals, you can put that there. There we go. A couple more pieces. And my phone's gonna die. If we cut off, I'll see you in a second. Almost there. We got the tank on this side. Pretty big tank also. Alright, I'm going to charge my phone. I'll be right back. Guys, we got the water tank filled up. It's pretty easy. You just got to line it up with the grooves. And I wash these containers. But like I said, you can use your thermal mug, your travel mug, larger cups. Here we go. Here we go. See that? I think I got enough water in there. Do a test run on the video. Now just grab your coffee cup. And we got this one. There we go. And let's grab your favorite K-Cup coffee flavor of your choice, whatever that chooses to be. I don't judge. Just pop it in. Ooh, that's a little sharp. Got me. Turn it on. Oh, that might help. I gotta plug it in. So plug it in. Alright. Power up. Select the size. I would say. Ooh, it's making some noise. There goes water is dropping. Should start up in a second. Here we go. And then these will light up. Heating up the water. There we go. So that should take a few seconds. This machine is quick though. And it lasts a while too, so any second. There we go. Hear it? Ah, there we go. You pick your size. It should begin. Right about. It still needs to get a little warm. Well, that's a good thing it lit up. Hold on 1 sec. Here we go. You just gotta lift up really quick on this and then press the button. There you go. Oh yeah. She works. Took a lot of water. There we go. Gotta love that sound. Oh yeah, so there's your fresh cup of coffee. Took a second. Now it's heating up. Ooh. Here we go. Alright guys, check them out. Keurig. Right here on Amazon. YouTubers, have a good weekend. Be safe.